Friends, Hari Prasad is back with another lecture on soft skill. So I am speaking of soft skills. Watch all my 100 soft skills lectures. Okay? Today, the topic for discussion is group discussion as a soft skill. GD, group discussion. I'll start my lecture with the message now. I am giving this message now. The living parts after death, after man dies, after that living parts we'll see. After death, bones live for 30 days, skin lives for 5 days, leg lives for 4 days, eye lives for 31 minutes, brain lives for 10 minutes, heart lives for 10 minutes, ear lives for 10 minutes. After death, these parts live after death of the human being. Coming to the topic, follow this lecture fully to crack GD. You can crack group discussion if you follow this lecture fully. Group discussion is used in many organizations for decision making and problem solving. Why group discussion required? For decision making and problem solving. GD is used as a personality test for evaluating several candidates simultaneously. Simultaneously, several candidates can be examined by group discussion. Group discussion helps to shortlist candidates for final interview. Group discussion gauges personality traits like ability to work in a team, reassuring ability, leadership skills, communication skills, initiative, assertiveness, flexibility, creativity. GD, group discussion, is an exchange of ideas among individuals in a group on a specific topic. It is a reliable testing device to assess all the candidates in a group at one go. GD aims at finding out the natural leadership level of the candidates. Natural leadership of the candidates can be examined, can be tested through group discussion. Supervisor who launches the discussion will retire to the background. The examiner or supervisor who launches the group discussion, he retires to the background and he observes you very closely and how all the candidates in the group are performing and how one becomes a leader. That lead is taken for the final interview. Group discussions can be topic based or case based. Sometimes topic based, sometimes case based. In topic based group discussion, factual topics like tourism in India, state of the aged in the nation, and controversial topics like reservations should make better managers, and abstract topics like A is an apple, twinkle twinkle little star are given for discussion. These are the topics given for discussion. In case-based group discussion, use the use of case instead of a topic. In topic-based, topic is given. In case-based, case is given. In case study, you need to think about the situation from various angles. If case study is given for discussion, you need to think in various angles. Group discussion helps to understand a subject more deeply. Group discussion improves the ability to think critically. Group discussion gives a chance to hear others' ideas on the same topic, on the same case. You will have opportunity to listen to others what their ideas are on this topic or on this case. Group discussion increases confidence in speaking. Do's in group discussion. Let us see the do's and don'ts. Now, do's in group discussion. 1. Speaker must speak pleasantly and politely to a group. 2. Speaker must respect the contribution of every speaker. 3. Speaker must try to stick to the discussion topic. 4. Speaker must agree with and acknowledge what he finds interesting. Don'ts in group discussion. 1. Speaker must not lose his temper because discussion is not an argument. 2. Speaker must not interrupt. Wait for a speaker to finish what he is saying before you speak. Power of expression is important in group discussion. You should speak effectively to convince others. Knowledge on the given topic, clarity of thoughts, and precision are evaluated. Listen carefully to what others and then react. Behavior in the group is also put to test to judge whether the speaker is a loner or can work in a group. Speaker should be able to convey his thoughts satisfactorily and convincingly before the group. In-depth knowledge and ideas regarding a given subject are important in group discussion. The candidates' leadership and coordinating abilities are observed in group discussion. The examiner withdraws and becomes a silent spectator once the discussion starts. I already told you, examiner or the supervisor, after starting group discussion, he retires to the background and he observes very carefully. Already told you. Leadership skills, listening and articulation skills are assessed. Articulation is phonetics of the words, how you are speaking the words. Address group as a whole because you don't know their names. In the group discussion, they are all new people. You don't know their names. Address them as group only. Don't use high sounding and pedantic language. Insulting language, pedantic language, don't use. High sounding words, don't use. Use simple words. Confidence and coolness while presenting are of help. You should have confidence and coolness. They are helpful to you to put your point forward. Mistakes in group discussion. 1. Emotional outbursts. Never. This behavior is immature and demotivate others. 2. Evaluation is based on quality, not on quantity. 3. Exercise restraint in anything. 4. Avoid showing off knowledge. 5. Avoid egotism. Such behavior indicates how self-centered you are. 6. False starts are extremely expensive. They cost the admission or job. Before closing this lecture on group discussion, I will give you 3 rules for success. Number 1, trust your brain. Number 2, trust yourself. Number 3, trust Hari Prasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem.